To save costs, these days manufacturers don't even give you a car jack anymore. So some cars don't even come with one of these. So are you prepared if you have a flat in the middle of nowhere? If you bought a car that is used and somebody removed this out of your car and you haven't checked, the next time you're gonna have an emergency, you're gonna need it, what you gonna do? And because preparation is the mother of wisdom, you could get one of these if it's compatible with your car. And in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to know about these very popular, very easy to use car jacks from Amazon. This is built by a company called UAOAII. This is a self-contained box you get with everything that you need in it. It has the jack, a compressor built in, long cord. This one will help you remove the wheels. I'm going to show you in this video. And the two attachments for two types of wheels. And of course you have a battery connector, so you could connect it to an actual battery. As an extra accessory, you get one of these. You should keep this in the car. This is in case of emergency. You could cut your seat belt and you could break your windows. Now this one is specifically built for certain types of cars, mostly SUVs, because this is how low a normal jack can go, where these things are a little bit taller, so you have to have room to fit under the car. In case of emergency, you could run the car over a piece of wood or a rock or something like that that is on the side of the road, but that's something you want to keep under consideration. For a sports car like this is not going to fit under, so that's something that you definitely have to know. But there is a way that you could make it fit under, because you have to put it in the right place. You could always drive the car over something. On a normal sedan, this will fit easily under. And all you have to do is just put it under the car, and then this will raise the car very, very easy. Look how much room I have. Now, if you have a flat tire, then the car will be a little bit lower. Again, you could drive the car over something to allow this thing to fit under the car. Also, you could have the other problem. If your car is too tall, then this one can expand. So you could expand it manually. And then that way you could fit it under a car that is too tall, because this one only has a certain limited travel. And with the tire deflated, there is still plenty of room to put it under the car. As you can see, there's another inch or so under my sedan. All you have to do is just make sure that you get the reinforced part and then plug it into the battery and then let it raise the car. Once connected to the battery, you have a light over here that tells you that it's on. And the light is turning on over here, so you have also a light that you could look at with. And the controls are very, very simple. Once it's aligned, then you just push up and you put it into jack mode and it'll start going up. It has a dual jack over here. So you see it has a secondary part that will expand. I don't have to go more up because my wheel is off the ground already. At this point, if you have to replace the wheel, you find the right socket. You take your auto tool, which makes it really, really easy to remove the wheel. So you put it on the tool, remove the cable, plug it in here, and look how easy it's going to be to take this off. So it has a kind of like a hammer system inside, where you literally just put it on the wheel and push this button. And it just comes off. So it's a very, very interesting tool. And at this point, all you have to do is just put the car down if you replace your wheel, and you're ready to go. So push the down button and we just lower the car. Sometimes you don't have to replace your wheel. All you have to do is just add some air to it. So right now we have this hose over here. We can take it out, flip this one into air mode. You have to watch it. It does not auto stop. Once you reach the right pressure, you just disconnect the hose. Remember, this will get a little bit warm, and then you just store it back in here. In conclusion, it's easy to put back together. All the things go inside the box. Put it in your trunk. Also, it has the reflective tape here in the back in case you want to put this one behind your car while you're working. So That's also a nice touch to it. It works for almost all the vehicles out there. But if your vehicle is too low, as I said in the beginning of the video, you might have to run the wheel with the flat tire on top of something. It connects to your battery. Now, some cars these days have a really hidden battery, especially if you have an electric vehicle. Your battery might be hidden somewhere under your boards or whatever. It can be hooked up to a cigarette lighter. Just remember that it uses 20 amps to run. So you make sure that you don't blow up your fuses. Otherwise, it works as advertised. It's pretty sturdy and durable. It's really compact, all goes into one box. There will be people that this will be a very good application for. Thanks for watching.